In this video, I want to share with you how you can niche down into competitive niches that are going to be trending next month. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Okay, so before I share with you those two niches, I just want to do a quick sales update. So I'm sitting at 10 sales. It's actually pretty early in the morning. It's only 10 a.m. So it could be a start to a good day. Yesterday I did 45 sales and $39 in royalties. I have been taking your guys' advice and increasing my prices, so we'll see if that helps with the royalties. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the two niches that I have for you are collateral or colorectal cancer and kidney cancer. And these are both going to be trending next month. You're going to see March's Kidney Cancer Awareness Month and March's colorectal cancer. Now, colon cancer is just another way to say colorectal. So these are basically going to be trending next month. The only problem with these two niches is that they're pretty competitive. Like if I go to Merchant Forum and I just type in colon cancer, we're going to see that the competition is, I think, over 1,000 results. And if we go to the third page, it even jumps up even more. If we go ahead and take a look at kidney cancer, we're going to see the numbers are pretty much the same. So, you know, good niches, but high in competition. Like this one says 696, but if we go to the third page, it's going to go up to like 2,000. Now, what you could do is you could cross niche like colon cancer with like mom or any type of other demographic, but even those niches are pretty competitive too. So right here we have colon cancer and mom. And we're going to see that the competition is also, you know, 398. But if we go to the third page, it's going to be the same thing. It jumps up to, you know, over 1,000 results. So how can we crack, like right here, you're going to see over 2,000 results for colon cancer mom. So how can we crack into these niches? How can we niche down? And I've kind of made videos about this strategy before regarding breast cancer. So you might have kind of heard or know or seen about the strategy. But basically what we want to do is we want to focus on colon cancer survivors that are celebrating a certain amount of years that they are colon or kidney cancer free. So like 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 years. So this niche that's niche down, it can actually be scalable as well. So what I'm talking about is doing something like this. Where you do 1 year colon cancer free, and if you do 1 year colon cancer free or 1 year kidney cancer free, you're going to see that the competition is barely like anything. I'm only seeing 7 results, and the type of design that I'm talking about is doing something kind of like this right here, where you have some type of clip art, whether it's for colon cancer or kidney cancer, and then you have text on the top, bottom, or both saying something along the lines of, you know, 1 year survivor, colon cancer awareness, or just something along those lines. And if we take a look at this design right here, which is for 5 years and counting, colon cancer survivor, with the colon cancer clip art in the middle, we're going to see that it is selling. Now, it doesn't have the best BSR, but as we get closer to March, this BSR will go down, and you know, you can scale this. So if you do like all like 10 years, like 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 10, you know, you can have 10 designs that are getting sales next month for both colon cancer and even kidney cancer. So we can see that this niche is low in competition and selling. Okay, so now we have like the idea of the niche. We're basically just, you know, niching down and focusing on the amount of years that someone is celebrating of being cancer-free from colon cancer or kidney cancer. Now it's time to go ahead and make the designs. So what I like to do, or what I would do, is I would go to Creative Fabrica. You guys know I love Creative Fabrica. I've been using them for a long time. It's one of the big reasons why I've been getting big sales like this. I can design, but it just kind of takes too long, and I'm kind of lazy, and I don't want to have to pay a designer. So I can just go to Creative Fabrica. I can get clip art, I can get designs, and I can just leverage them basically. If you want to sign up for Creative Fabrica, I do have an affiliate link in my description. I think it's like the 3rd or 4th link there. It's only like $3 or $4 a month, and you get everything from like fonts, PNG, graphics, even AI. They have courses, which I didn't even know about, whole PLD section. So if you're interested, check it out. If not, it's all good. But the way that I would attack this, these two niches design-wise would be to go to Creative Fabrica and just type in colon cancer, for example. Then I want to check off the print-on-demand special license filter because I don't want to use anything that could potentially get me in trouble with Merch by Amazon. And what I'm doing here is I'm just looking for some type of clip art that I could use for my designs. And I actually had some Oh, maybe it was this one right here. So I found this one right here that I thought could work well, and then I also found this one, this second one. Let's wait for this to load real quick. Sorry, my internet is taking its sweet time. Okay, so I found this one right here. You're going to see it says colon cancer awareness. And I also found this one right here. And you can see they both come with the full POD usage allowed. This lets you know that it is safe, commercial, and full POD usage allowed. So what I went ahead and did was just download these, and I made these designs right here. So this is the one from Photoshop. So I have, basically I took the rainbow, and what I did is I changed the colors because I didn't really like the cheetah. I made it white, and I changed the color of the hearts, and I got rid of, I think it said I wear blue in March or something along those lines, and I just changed it for 1 year survivor, and I just changed this font because there wasn't enough space. And what you can do here is you can scale this. So you can make a design like this, and you can basically just scale it. So instead of going 1, you just change it. Now you just go 2. All right, and then you go 3, and you can go all the way up to 10. Now, when I did this with breast cancer, I went all the way up to 10, and even the 10-year survivor, now you would have to put an S here, so, whoops, S. But people all the way up to like 10 years were buying the breast cancer shirts. I need to make this a little smaller so it looks good. But you can see here that you can go ahead and you can scale this, this niche right here to 3 years, 4 years. I would recommend at least doing 1 through 5, but if you want, you can go all the way up to 10, even maybe 15, 20, who knows. That's the first design that I made, and then I also made this one right here. So another option is saying I fought and I won. Now, you might have to double check that that is trademarked. I believe it is because I saw it, but just always do your research. But saying something along the lines of I fought and I won, 1 year survivor, and then you can just basically do the same thing, and you could scale it up. You're going to have to put the S here. Don't forget to do that. But right here, you can see it's pretty simple to design for. You just got to get some type of clip art. You can put text on the top, bottom, or just on the bottom, whatever you think looks best. And then if you want to change it to, for kidney cancer, all you have to do is just change the color. So let me just get my ugly face out the way here. And what I like to do is just go to like Google, and I'll just type in orange. So orange is the color for kidney cancer. Orange color code. Boom. And we're just going to go ahead and get the code right here. And now let's go back to Photoshop, and you can just pop it in. I might have already done it. Yeah, it looks like I already did it. But see here I have the orange, and now what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and just basically just change the color of the design. So I'm going to click on the layer, B, and then click on G. And basically I'm just going to, whoops, I think I messed it up, and then click on the layer. That's the layer right there. Now I should be able to do it. There we go. And then what you want to do is you just want to change the colors basically. So go to something lighter. So like maybe like right here. And then we can go like this. We can go like this. Let's go back and get that original orange right there. Boom. And you can basically just, I'm not going to do it all, but just kind of give you like the idea on how you can scale this design and how you can do it for both colon cancer and kidney cancer. All right, and then basically you would just upload this to Merch by Amazon, and you want to use, obviously you want to have 3 years survivor in there, colon cancer awareness. That's probably going to be enough right there. That's at least probably what I would do, but if you want to go above and beyond, you could type in some more keywords. But I just want to share with you this idea because there's going to be a lot of people that are going to be uploading these type of designs right here. I wear blue for my grandma. I wear blue in March. There's already a million of those. I always say on this channel, when everyone's zigging, you want to zag. If you just make another, I wear blue for my grandma t-shirt for colon cancer, you're not really adding any value to the marketplace. There's already a million of those. So why is someone going to buy another one of those when there's already a million of them? Even if you do like have the best design, you're going to have to run a bunch of ads to it. I think it's just better if you can like niche down, find a sub niche in the colon cancer, which is the survivor, the amount of years. It's kind of like, I think the word is cancerversary. That's not like a dictionary word, but basically it's like anniversary, but for cancer. They're celebrating the amount of years, cancerversary. They also have it for sobriety as well too. But that's my little rant on that. Focus on niches that are lower in competition because it's going to help you stand out because people are going to be able to find you. Don't just do what everybody else is doing. When everyone's zigging, you want to zag. Okay, so that is going to be the video for today. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon and you want to know how I get sales like this on a daily basis, I do have a link in the description. It's the first link. It's for a course that I have on Udemy. It's only 20 bucks. It's good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. I am not the best Merch by Amazon seller. There are a lot of people that make more money than me on Merch by Amazon. But you can see, you know, I do pretty good with the amount of sales that I get. Royalties, I'm sitting at $1,000 for the month, and last month I did 14. So I'm doing, you know, over $1,000 each month. But that's going to be it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to send me a message on Instagram. I reply usually within 24 hours. And make sure that you comment on the video. I will personally reply to every one of your comments. Okay, thanks again, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.